Hello, everybody. Hello. It's me again, your sister, your friend, Lady J. And if you have not subscribed for my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed before, thank you and God bless you. Today, I not see the hair when I carry. This one now, Simbi is a girl. Today. Today na for another of our lady again, because now somebody way close to her and bring this topic. He said because he want make she receive sense, because he not can know whether this her friend see they okay. You understand? He say he didn't go share this video reach where she did, because he no understand whether she see they okay, whether na just the mark on they use for her, or whether she not really dey okay again. He don't know. He said because the thing don't really like, the thing don't tire her. You understand? Okay. He said this girl, she dey date this guy. And with this guy he does spend money, too much money for this guy. She does spend. What they say? When you say somebody spend money, the girl really spend. According to her friend. He said now, this same boy no even take her serious. He dey follow different girls, different girls up and down. He say he no know wetin he want do. That is this her friend say the thing just tire her. He say this girl does spend money for this boy. Money we will talk about, so not be small money. He say this boy can see. He say he gets so many girlfriends for her side. Okay, he say he gets now. This same boy can give another girl belle. As he gave another girl belle, this girl can still know. He say she not fit do anything. She dey think of the money where she does spend for the boy. Say so what did she go do? He say they with the boy. He say no. She can still get belle for the boy too. She can still born for the boy. Say as that one go, that one as another one carry belle born, she go see born her own too. You know, now that is okay. Now let this boy now come be the boy where did this word. I don't understand. So because another girl get belle now, you too can say you must see get belle too, or because of you don't spend money for the boy. I don't understand, really. Or because you don't spend. So you can make sure say you still born put. Okay, now this same boy not see finish for there. She can't born for this boy, she can't born too for this boy. This same boy not still rest. He can still go give another girl belle again. So on one time, say now love this boy, love this girl now. Now love this girl be na I don't understand the kind of love when I want call that one. No. Now love this boy. That is, I don't understand. You will want to watch this video later. Now love this boy, love this girl. That is our ladies, me, I don't really understand whether some of them, whether they do okay, really. Okay, now, this same boy go give another girl belle again. He give another girl belle. He come out leave this one because this one now money not they come for her side because she don't born and she know they go the also again. Now can they give her money? Now, he go give another girl belle. Now, another girl now don't get belle for the boy now. He can't go they stay with that one. Or because money see they come from that one side. That is our ladies, Okay, what's it called? They make that they follow this boy, and now money the boy comes to get. I'll be waiting. This our friend say not be money. Now they even spend money for her. You don't know what our friend see. Couldn't believe say that girl, that the other one, when don't spend money tire for them, when follow her day as before, we born too. You know, say that one see they go the hustle. You will carry her children give somebody. Una know say that one see they go the hustle they give that one, they give this boy money. As this boy comes to say, money not too much again. You can't go meet another girl. That because that one they get money for all those that one they get oil money. You can't go meet that one. No money where you not work with your this ass money where they come. That one can't begin they give her money. You can't they see money for that one and that one can't see born put too. As that one born, you can't see they with that one can't they happy. You can't see born second one again. The funny part, now those women they take care of the children will not be saying that the boy not get anything when he do. He not get any money. We want to take care of those children. Now and then, they inside. You know? And that is sometimes I they wonder if some women whether they do okay or whether their brain or they work again. No, me, I don't really understand. A boy will not spend anything for now. Now all of them want die for. And you see imagine now say these women are going to do they're going to do just for each other. This one going to do me a lover. This one going to do me a lover. A guy will not even send you now. A guy will not even know whether or not they exist. That is, are you people kidding me right now? Are you okay? Eh? A boy will not even send whether people like una they exist. Una go they spend una money they give them. Una not get family when want spend money for. Una not get people where they suffer for una family. If una not get beggars. The boy hand, he not fit work. Something weak load one for hand. He not go fit work. Hey, I don't understand. Now. As the boy can say the other girl when he go meet now, money not they come again now. Money don't finish. When our great Obate swear say make any girl not pay again. Money now don't finish now. Now the boy now can't come out to leave that one now. Go back again, go beg that the other girl. Now they understand now. After money don't finish now for the other girl and now he can't go now go meet the other one for house. He can't go meet the other girl because money not they come again from this one. When they see my people, you can't go meet that same girl where the first pay money for am tire. You can't go meet that one. No one when they don't marry you. You can't go meet that one now. They beg and say make that one come back to her. You see, our friend say he can't say if friend not go ever try him. You see, he's surprised when they see and say the girl now don't go back to this boy. See, because if they listen to my video, they see the way they advise ladies, and I say no. Make I talk for this one. Him go share and give him. Because he don't know whether this girl see they okay. Some women, that is, they talk and say, you not go fit friend another boy again now. You don't go see better guy. And this guy woman, I go see better guy want to take serious. You go say no, say that this guy. Eh? What you wanna see? Eh? They make you with this boy together. So you not feel leave him. A guy will not fit take care of you. He is not even taking care of your children. Eh? Now you they die for. Now you they wait for. A guy will go help you up when you go also. He not even send you. Because if he send you, I believe say if he go even stay with you, he will go also. They give you money. But no. You they go the also can they give the boy money. I don't understand. And the friend say if you see this girl, very beautiful girl, show me when he show me a picture, I say what? Very beautiful. If you not see Pekin. If you not see Pekin, we just a fool itself for one man so. A guy will not send you. We don't know whether you they exist. Where they go from one woman to another. If you can't carry sickness, can't give you that uncle. Now can't complain say man don't give you that sickness. So not know you say now self even need them like that. A guy will not send you. You just did they die. A beautiful girl like you. Are you okay? Some women they need to receive sense. Una must receive sense. As una say, una come this world, call yourself a follow man, we not send una. Una must receive sense. Because now this short video now I get for you. Make una share this video so say it go reach her hand. Our friends saying go share and go make sure say it reach her hand. Because sometimes it be like say some of them, they got to receive sense. They got to receive sense, eh? Because many of them, their sense don't die. They just the food worker, they don't get sense again, eh? Really? So they have to receive sense. Now man supposed to take care of you. You go they ask. You go not be say you go they also come they as they do and rich, you don't still love you. Una not they understand what this love be. A man will not love you, not love you. No matter what you go do, we go make and love you. No they. He don't love you, not love you. Because if you love you, I believe say if they stay with you. You can imagine money you don't spend for a guy. You know see there with you. Upon the money, upon everything, you know see there with you. You see they go for one woman to another. So what are you doing with that kind of a man? He don't deserve you. Come out from your sleep, because you be like say you see the sleep. You the waka, you just if I sleep there your eye. Wake up, girl. Wake up. Wake up, eh. Guy, whenever you go see your family, now you just they die follow. You know even send you. You don't know whether you they exist. You don't know whether children go eat. Now you they take care of those children alone. You go see leave you, go they follow different girls they go. After it don't go everywhere, come back, go see come back to you, because you know say you be mumu, you be ugbeke. If not even ugbeke girl they do this one now, I go understand. Not be beautiful girl like you. God, some women they have to receive sense. They really have to receive sense, because people like una, now this kind of hair, then they come out for una. This kind Simbi is a gay hair, then they come out for una. Eh? I beg. Mona help me. Comment for the comment section for this YouTube. So that make sure they hear them. Mona help me talk to her. Mona help me share this video, make you reach her hand. Because I should say sense. Her sense not there again. So I beg. Mona pray for them too. So that make her sense come back. Mona help me pray for them, I beg. She need una prayer. Make una help me pray for her. So that make the thing make it enter her head it go enter her head the thing go enter well. I beg. So thank you everybody. Until I come your way next time, I remain Lady J. Share this video for me and like my video and like my page. Thank you and God bless you people. Until I come your way next time. Bye.